You have the Zoom ID? Zoom ID. Then I send on this email. Which email is IVRAMYADAP@gmail.com. Please run this file and check once. Is it coming a login form? Simple login form. Format of the level, why you are writing all in one line. Arrange the level, space the dash, seek knowledge, and first increase the brightness of the screen to 200%. Later to reduce. You have to use the font tab. Color tab. Using font tab, this also. That is which color? Green. You can change through the font tab. Through the font color, you can change. In this background. Once we learn that, we say. Colors you can change through. We type it. Use some example of how to change the font color. Okay, so hope written. Next, after that, see format the code. You need to keep arranging like this. TD is the part of TR after a space. TH is the part of TR. Both should be inside TR after a space. Okay, let's check now. Come to how that look. Something basic design. There should be some space from the top. So you can follow the BR before table. Before table, you can write a BR. How to input data words and input type. Input type, date time, local. You can write input type, date time. This way. Input type password I have written and write here input type equal to date time hyphen local. It will give you the calendar symbol. Date time local. Okay, let me show you. It's like this. Once you click here, can you see calendar is coming? In that you can select any date, any time, AM, PM, all are available. Okay, you can go AM or you select the PM, both option will be here. Select any hour, any time, any date here. So what is that? It's called date time local. So I will write here as a password only Wherever you require, you can write it. Date time local. Date time local will give the calendar. Date time hyphen local. Date time hyphen local will give the calendar. Date time local.
Sir, that column span you have written to align the login to the center, right?
Yes, yes. Call span 2 we have written so that button will be in the center.
Sir, why two?
Because total number of columns are 2 only. How many columns we have in this table? 2 only.
Only two. Yes.
Maximum how many columns are there? 2 columns.
Yes.
First TD also call span 2. Second TR also TSTD. Here also TSTD. So because there is a maximum number of column is 2 only. Because of that we have written call span how many? 2.
Two.
There will be 10 column. We can write call span 10 also. Okay, next go ahead and check once your button is coming in the center, and this content is also part of the login you have written, that is also part of your table. If you keep under the caption tab, see the difference you need to understand. Yesterday we have created a form. You have given the background is orange, but this contact us is coming outside. The reason why it is coming outside, if you see here under the form 1, inside the form 1, contact us is written under the caption. So caption will not come inside the table. It will follow the table, but it will be out of the table. In the form 2, what you see is inside the form 2, caption we have not written. We have written the TR. Now TR will follow the table and it will display the content inside. TR we have written, TD we have written, and inside we written as a H1. So it will come as a big font size. And it will show yes inside the sky blue color. Under the sky blue, it will display something like this. Okay, will work for form 3 now. Here, after the TD, after button we have created, write one HR tag. HR color equal to a sky blue it is. So I'll give here call green color, size equal to 1 or 2. 2 is 2 pixel. A href equal to next page. That is called form 3 dot html. And here you will write you new then register. Ready? You will get a hyperlink. That hyperlink will guide you to go to the next page. Hyperlink will be there. Are you new? Then register. We go to the form 3 directly. Okay, go for the next file, form 3. Inside the form 3, we will create a registration form with many input field. Come there. So hope this form 2 is looking similar. Yes, no reply please in the chat. Okay. Form 3 file, we can go after table, you will start another table. Let it be, this one is a black and white. No need to apply any BG color. Keep here, align as a center, align as a center. Keep inside cell padding. Before this table, or maybe here also, caption we can write, H1 we can follow. We can give the heading as a register. We can give heading as a register. Check now, this register is coming inside or outside? Outside. Anyway, BG color we have not given. Come down below, write a TR. TH you follow here, write as a full name. Then write a TD. And this TD will have a input type equal to text. Class equal to form hyphen Class is not required here. Size you can give. SIZ size 30 will be okay. Written. Check now. It will come like text box. Now inside this text box, suppose here at this place, you will open a font tag open close, and inside the font tag keep a star. Okay, and right here color equal to red. What will happen is this star will come in red color. The star will come in red color. If now a star is coming in the red color, in case if you want to change complete everything, full name itself in red color, then what will happen is, if you want to keep everything in red color, then full name you can cut from here and paste inside the font. This way, everything will come in red color. Try this also. Let's see, everything is coming in the red color. Now, what is the meaning of a star mark? User will not understand. So we have to write a note somewhere saying like wherever a star mark will be there, that will be mandatory field. So come to your table here and write a TR inside follow a TD, and under the TD you write call a span equal to 2. And in this TD you will write in font again color as red, color equal to red. The star mark fields are mandatory. Star marks fields are mandatory. See it now. The star marked fields are mandatory. Check now, red is coming on the top. So user will understand wherever the red mark will be there, that is mandatory. No, wherever a star mark will be there, that is mandatory field. So it's like this. The star marks fields are mandatory. Here we have a star, so they will understand all this field I need to write. But if we put everything as a red, it will not make sense. Only a star should be red. So what we'll do is, the full name we have written here, just we'll cut the full name, and full name should be out of the font. Full name should be here. Of written. Now full name is black and star is only red. User will understand, oh, wherever the star mark is written, I have to fill that. Come down, add the next year. Hope everyone is writing. TH, email ID, keep like this as a mandatory symbol. Keep a TD, input type equal to email. Input type equal to email. Add some more fields. Password. Hope looking similar. Reply in chat, then we can write next line. Same. One person replied, other hope are writing.
Sir, in the second photo that you had sent for homework, that not a member register here, how it will appear side by side?
Come again.
That second picture you had set for homework, that not a member and register here should be appearing side by side, right?
Register, you can link to some other page.
No, that layout. Will I send it in WhatsApp? It's
See, the first assignment, you cannot expect 100%. No? After giving the photo, I told you, try it. As much as possible from your side, you try it. Whichever is not possible, you leave that. You are not completed, you are learning still. After few days, if you look into the same photo, you will find the solution.
okay.
So you tried your level base, something you have made.
Yes.
After that, again,
There are some mistakes.
mistake is there, solution will come automatically. Once knowledge will come, solution will come automatically. Password keep in the red color. Down below. Input type equal to password. Password. Save it and check again. It should work. After that, no. Yeah. Okay, so password is ready. After password, we need to have a field called gender. Write tr, th, gender. Should be mandatory again. ed, you have to create two radio buttons. Input type equal to radio. Name you have to give common name so that user cannot select both. Next, at this place you have to write call value. Value equal to maybe, okay, you can write here value equal to maybe if you can write m and f. Okay, done. Save and sequence. You can select any one radio button, either first or second. Then we are going to write a create a TR for address box. TR, you will keep a th. For better city you can keep first and leave this one as a optional. User can select it also, user can leave also. Okay, till gender everything is mandatory. After gender right, select here, select open, select close, option open, choose, write some city name, write one more city name, choose width. If you want to increase you can write this dash dash dash, it will increase the width. Because to increase the width css we require some math. Okay, now add one more here, Chennai. So it will give you a drop down box and it will not be mandatory, it will be as a optional field. User can select also, user can ignore also. Written, check now, drop down is coming. If you want to make full width like here, how the text box is coming full width. So this select will not come by default. It will take content size. Else through CSS we have to change their property and increase the width. Now you have option, you can put dash dash dash. So see here, I will increase the dash dash dash. So width will also get increased according to content. Something like this. Come after that, we have to write one text area. Text area. TR open close. So hope you are on the track and you are writing th text area as a address, leave as a optional, and ed write for that a text area rows equal to, rows represent the height, rows equal to 8 and calls equal to similar 30 you can write, and save it. It will give you a little bigger text box. Okay, next after that, one checkbox is required. There we can keep as a term condition tr td call span equal to 2. Inside this, you create a checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox. Input type checkbox. Then you can write here checked equal to checked. And you can write I am agree on terms and condition. Terms and conditions. Yeah, so hope you got a checkbox, and that is by default as a checked. Now next we need to write one here only. You will write a BR, and after the BR, you are going to use a tag called details. Details. Tag name is details. Tag name is details. Inside the details, you will use a tag name called summary. Sometime you'll see on internet, read more will be written. Some text will be there, read more. If you click on read more, it will open. Again, if you click, it will get collapse. That is called collapse and expand. So in HTML, we have a tag called details. Now we created called term and condition. Below will be read more. User will click on that, some text will open. Again, click, text will close. Okay, so right here, details. Under the details, you will write a tag called summary. Summary call read more. Read more. Read more. Now after the read more, use a p tag. Under the p tag, use again some text. Display some text, and you have to give the BR also in between. So that line will get break. Keep some BR, so line will get break. BR line will get break. See how is this? Click on read more, text will open. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Read more if you click, text will open. Read more, again it will hide. So from top you can give 2 BR. One BR we are given. You can write one more BR here. It will be spacious. There will be more space. Okay, something like this. Read more, read less. Okay. After that, we need to create a button. After that, we need to create a button in the next year. Please confirm once working. Message in chat. Yes, no. Write the last year and check once your last year is ready. I will share the last year also in your chat. In case any error, please change that. Write this. Last year came to your chat. Coming next, we required a button. We can write here ATR and follow ATH and write call span equal to 2. In that, first write a HR, not HR, first button. Button register. Okay. Next, after the button, we will write one HR tab. Color equal to red color. Size you can give 2 again. Write a href equal to previous page, that is called form2.html, and you will write here already registered. Then go to login. Already registered, then go to login. Okay, so you have the hyperlink. Click on register, we'll go to the previous page. Click on login, we'll go to the next page. And here, read more, if you click, collapse suspend will happen. Check once. Insert button. Now, what did you need to create? Remove that TD, what TD you have started, remove that. Yes, remove. Save zone. Here you have to give call us back to this TD. Go there, the first one. Call us back to this TD. Okay, so we can create next example. Two are working, 1, 2, 3. Form 1, form 2, form 3 should work. Form 1, form 2, form 3. Anyone error or no error? Where put the bg color? You can put bg color wherever you want. For table also, for tr, th, you have idea now. Wherever you want, you can apply bg color. It's individual base. Okay, then we can move next, and we can come next to the which file? Form 4. Form 4 should be something like this. Right here, table again. Keep again align. Center. Cell padding. And write a caption. Inquiry. Keep under the H1. From down below, TR, follow a TH. You can write here for your name and write a TD. Input type equal to text. Placeholder equal to enter name. Same way, in the same TD, same TR, you will add one more field. That is your mobile number. Input type equal to number. Enter. Okay, hope ready. So in one line, you will find 4 columns. Something like this. Full name, text box, mobile number, text box. Write it slowly in one line, 4 columns. THTD, THTD, we have written there. no? THTD, THTD. Write TR, follow one TH, call a span equal to 4. Call a span equal to 4. Call a span hold. Call a span is a 4. Call a span is a 4. Button, send a message. Ready? So button is coming in the middle. See, button is coming in the middle. We need to add some more field now. So last year, let it be last. First year we have done. We need to add remaining in the middle. City name, then pin code, or maybe email ID and pin code. Next year. TH, email ID, TD, your email ID. Your email ID, input type equal to email, enter, email ID. TH, your city name, or maybe your pin code. Input type equal to number, enter, pin code. ready like this. Next, after that, one text area is required. So in one TR, how many column we can write? Unlimited. 2, 3, 4, 5 depend on requirement. So first row, how many column? 4 column. THTD, THTD, 4 column. Second TR also THTD, THTD. TH and TD is always a column. Last TR, how many column? Only one. But we are given call span 4. Take the space of entire. If I change here BG color as a pink, how that will look? THBG color. THBG color. Save it and check once. Background is coming pink color. That make table little different. You can remove that. Not required. Let it be black and white is okay. Write the next TR. 1 TH. Your message. Write a TD. Call span equal to how many? Call span equal to 3. Because already one TH you have written, remainings are 3 column. So that entire space we given to one TD only. Same as a call span 3. Call span 3. Now you will go inside, follow a text area and give the columns calls as a 70 nearly and rows 10 nearly. It will become a big text box, big text area. It will cover the width of 3 column, 3 TD, and then height it will take much height. Check now. Ready? Check now. Text area is coming. Big size. 70, maybe little bigger. You can decrease little. 60, 567. This form 4 is also ready. Now we need to work on 5 and 6. Okay, so hope looking similar. Let me check the feedback. Okay, then go next. Next file is form 5. Inside form 5, some different layout. Come there in the form 5 and follow one table. Open, close. Table align will be center. Cell padding will be 10. Align center, cell padding as a 10. Right inside a caption H1 business inquiry. Right here. Write a TH. TD you can write here better. TD. Inside TD, create a text box. Input type equal to text. And keep placeholder equal to your name. User will understand through this also what they need to enter. Okay. Next, after that, write one more TD. Keep inside text area. Open, close. Give there calls equal to like column 30 and rows equal to rows 10 or maybe 9. Placeholder equal to message. Text area is a big size. Height and width. See, it look like this. Okay, increase little more height. Keep 10 rows. 10 rows. So height will be more. Width will be same 30 itself. You can come down. Write the next TR. In that TR, you keep only one TD. In the second TR, you keep only one TD. Your mobile number. Type equal to number. You can write here. Number. Next, after that, keep one more TR similar. Email. Enter your email ID. Sequence. Okay. Now, so, this will come like this. This is going outside. No problem. See here. Total how many TR you have? 3 TR. First TR, second TR, and one more we have third TR. First TR, second TR, and then we have third TR. Okay. Now in table we have one property called row span, row span. Okay, row span. Call span, what is doing? It's combining the space of two columns. Similar way, we have row span. A row span will help you to combine the space of multiple rows. Okay, now see, suppose in first year we have 2 TD. In first year, how many TD? Double TD. In the second year, only 1 TD. In the third year, also only 1 TD. Now in the first year, the second TD. In the first year, second TD. Right. So in the first year, we have the first TD. Equal to, in the first, second year also we have 1 TD. Equal to, in the third year also we have 1 TD. Right. In the first year, if I remove this second TD, then what will happen? All the TR have equal number of TD. So first TD is matching here also, matching here also. Only which TD is not matching? Second TD. Second TD is absent in the second TR. Second TD is absent in the third TR. Now let's look. The second TD of first year, the second TD of first year, we will apply here called row span. Row span. Now how many TD is missing? 2 TD is missing. 1 TD is missing in the second TD, second TR, and one more TD is missing in the third TR. So the TD of first year, we will say a row span equal to 3. Take the place in the current row and take the place in the second row and take the place in the third row, all the places. Now you see what will happen. You will see the space of 3 TR will get combined, and whatever is coming, like look is coming as a odd, it will be well organized. Coming properly? Let me show you again. See, it look like this. This TD is taking the place of 3 TR. So row span happen. Now 3 TR we have call span 3 we have given. So first TR, second TR, third TR. Entire area is over. Now if I write one more TR here, so this is the fourth TR. This is not third TR. This is the fourth TR. Inside the fourth TR, we will write a TH. Here you have to write call span equal to 2. Because the row span is over in the third row only. This is the fourth row. So at this place, open, close. Send a message we need to write. Send request. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Button should come in the center and page will be ready. So this different type of table is designed and different type of form is also. In a study photo, you did some research. I will send some more photo today. Do some research on that also. Try something, okay? Something will happen. See that photos what I sent you in that some part is written using CSS also. So look and feel you ignore. Just try designing the layout, basic layout. HTML is for the basic layout only. Using HTML you cannot do everything. Okay, using HTML we can design the basic layout and then internal color combination, border, lining, text color. Those people use the boot CSS and all. So get some idea on HTML. Then again we'll in WhatsApp I'll send you some more photos. You can try today. Which one to let me see.
Sir, can you show the row span again once?
Row span is here. This one.
At the first statement, we have to write the row span, right?
And the first TD we have to write row span.
Okay. It will divide it equally.
Hmm. It will divide equally. What it will divide equally?
No. 3 rows it has created, right? Yes.
Okay, check now. Some more photo I have sent you. 4 photos only. Do some research on that. 4 photo has come to your chat. Check once. Do some research in that. Today video will be ready evening time. 9 o'clock nearly it will convert.
Sir, and yesterday's video?
If you are in the chat, I will send you now. You are logging in the Zoom app.
Mobile app, sir. Will you not upload in YouTube?
We have given the video to edit someone. He is modifying.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe he will give, then we'll upload it.
Okay.
I have created a group for your batch. Group in the sense, this one, playlist. In playlist, I added the names of everyone. Now video, once it will upload, then notification will come.
Okay.
Today hoping they will give me, then we'll upload it. In browser, video will not come. See, if you want to download the video in your system, then you should download the Zoom app and log in Zoom app. When you are trying to log in for the class, you have to use the Zoom app. And then I will upload in the chat. You can download it. Browser is not the homework. Homework I have sent in your WhatsApp. Check that. Homework is shared in your WhatsApp. You can check that. Okay.